having hot flashes. So I know how to scan his eyes. Ah! That hurt really bad.
Yasmin's turn.
Owie! You might got further than Chloe. Oh well. Loser. It died. Oh well. Okay. Let's see here. What can we do now? I know. I'm going to sing. I'm kidding. I'm not. I'm a pro.
Now let's look up what's under these things. What is that? What's that? Right there? You think you can see it? Let's under this one. Ew. That's sick. So we'll be back next time on The Brett Show.